This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. If you've already paid employees this year, you'll need to tell QuickBooks which payroll taxes you've paid so far this year. This keeps QuickBooks from paying any taxes you've already paid. Before you start, you'll need to have your tax payment receipts or payroll liability reports from your previous payroll service showing the amounts paid. To begin, go to Payroll, then Overview. Note your navigation may look like this. From Tell us which taxes you paid this year, select Start. You'll see all your payroll tax liabilities for the current quarter. QuickBooks calculated these based on the prior payroll info you entered during employee and tax setup. You can review your tax payment receipts or reports with the amounts shown. If the amounts QuickBooks shows don't match, you can go back to your employees and review the paycheck history. For each payment, select if you've paid it or not. Once you're finished, select Continue. If you haven't paid, you'll see the amounts due now and later. QuickBooks will pay these taxes for you. Select Got It. Now select Yes, No, or I'm not sure to indicate previous quarter payroll taxes you've also paid. Note that unlike future tax payments, QuickBooks cannot pay any previous quarter taxes on your behalf. If you choose No or I'm not sure, QuickBooks will add a reminder to pay any unpaid taxes on your overview page. Select Save and Close when you're done. That's it. Now QuickBooks knows which taxes you've paid and can make any future payments for you.